Welcome back to my channel. Today we're diving into 5 veggie hacks for salad haters. So whether you raise someone who thinks veggies are gross or just needs some inspo for sneaking them in, these are for you, healthy and realistic, promise. Let's get started first. Let me address something. No one is born hating veggies. Somewhere along the line, someone decided broccoli tasted like grass and green beans were gross. And now here we are. My mission: prove that veggies can be delicious and help you build a new relationship with them. Now, this video isn't about salads, but if you find yourself stuck in a salad rut, I've got you covered. But won't they still taste like veggies? Well, not after this trick. Blend steamed carrots or cauliflower into your marinara sauce and watch it transform into a creamy dream. Sneakily boosting your sauces with veggies. Say what? Here's the magic. Not only will it be smoother than silk, but you'll also be packing in extra nutrients without altering the flavor much. Now I know it sounds crazy, but it works. Remember, you don't have to be a salad fanatic to eat healthy. Every small step counts. Comment below which hack you're trying first. Until next time, remember, you got this. Grate zucchini or carrots into your muffin or meatloaf batter, or mix cauliflower rice into your rice dishes. The possibilities are endless. Kids will gobble up these zucchini muffins without a clue they're getting a veggie boost, or swap out half your rice with cauliflower rice. Nobody will be the wiser. And here's a bonus tip. Mash cauliflower into your mashed potatoes for an extra serving of veggies without changing the taste. Now let's see a show of hands. Who's excited to try this hack? This hack works especially well with tomato sauces like marinara or even cheese sauce. Comment below if you weigh in, and don't forget to hit that thumbs up button because knowledge is power. Below if you rate crispy, savory veggie fries that will make you forget all about the real thing. Game even picky eaters will be fooled by the flavor. And serve them with a dollop of vegan ranch or your favorite dip. Trust me, you'll devour them. Okay, who's convinced? Don't forget to hit that onions, squash and simmer in broth. Thumbs up button for more fantastic tips. How cool is that? It's the perfect way to boost your veggie intake without sacrificing taste. Just add half a cup of blended veggies for every cup of sauce you make. Now let's see a show of hands. Who loves pasta or adding sauces to their dishes? Comment. Sweet potato and zucchini sticks are the stars of today's show. Cut them into fry-like pieces, toss them in some olive oil, garlic powder, paprika, and salt, and roast them at 400 degrees Fahrenheit or 200 degrees Celsius for 20 to 25 minutes. The result. Now hold up. Before you say veggies are still gross, hear me out. These fries are crunchy and addictive. Plus, they're a healthier alternative to regular fries. Let's focus on those who think salad is the devil's food group. And here's a bonus tip. Drop a comment and let me know if you've tried this hack. And while you're at it, hit that thumbs up button because good vibes only. Check out this video next. It's got 10 salad hacks you never knew you needed. But for today, soups are like nature's multivitamin. Throw in whatever you have on hand, celery, tomatoes, then give half of it a quick blend for a creamy, dreamy texture. Below in goal is to help you bridge the gap between where you are and where you want to be. Let's make that vision a reality together. Let me know, and don't forget to hit that thumbs up button because why not? Trust me, you'll feel like you're having a hearty stew without the fuss. And here's a little secret. Soups are like your trusty sidekick. They freeze like a champ. Maybe it doesn't. So double the recipe and save some for a busy day. Don't worry, they taste just as good reheated. Now who's ready to give this hack a shot? Comment maybe it includes veggies, If that's you, show your support by giving this video a thumbs up. Also, subscribe so you don't miss any of my videos. Smoothies are your best friend when it comes to hiding spinach or kale. Simply blend a handful into your drink and voila, no one will be wiser. But wait, there's a catch. Spinach and kale can turn your smoothie green. So how do you disguise it? Enter frozen bananas. They not only add a delicious tropical twist, but also a nice color to mask the greens. Plus, they're packed with potassium. Win-win. Here's a pro tip. If you're feeling adventurous, Try mixing in other fruits like mangoes or berries. They work wonders in hiding that green. Goodness, now let's see a show of hands. Who's ready to give this hack a whirl? Comment below and let me know. And hey, don't forget to share this video with your friends. After all, sharing is caring. Onto the hacks, before we dive in. Take a second to visualize your ideal healthy eating routine. What does it look like, all right? Let's kick things off with a simple yet sneaky strategy. Okay, I know what you're thinking. Roasting veggies until they're crispy sounds great in theory. I bet you didn't expect this one. Did you? Next up, a simple yet super effective hack, soup, yep. Soups are our secret weapon. Hold on to your hats, folks. 'Cause this last hack is a real game changer. It's all about swapping your carbs for veggies. So there you have it. 5 simple and sneaky ways to pack more veggies into your diet. And hey, while you're at it, give this video a thumbs up for more practical health tips. And don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.